What's up everybody, Tiffany Outdoors here. Today we're going to build another DIY background for Vivarium. Stay tuned. There's the hawk. Before there was a Tiffany Outdoors, there was Tiffany the farmer.
Follow U-turn when possible.
No, we're not U-turning.
Hi. Hi, what are you doing? Hi, Boo. What?
So first thing we need to do is measure our aquarium or the tank that we're going to use. So I'm going to be using a 10-gallon tank in this build. So first thing I need to do is pull it down and measure it. Okay, this one is, I'm just going to write on this thing, 9 3/4, and I'm going to leave 3 inches from the bottom. Each one of these 3 inches, and measure from that line to the top. That's right at about 16 5/8 about. It doesn't have to be precise or exact, as long as you get it close enough, okay? All right. And I got some of the styrofoam, and I got this from Lowe's. It was just laying underneath a rack. It was packing for something, and they let me have it. And it's about 3/4, no, it's 5/8. It's about 5/8 stick. 5/8 stick. It's about 5/8 thick. Alright, so I'm going to make my measurements. Let's see, 9 3/4 wide. Nine 3/4 wide. And 16 5/8 long. Okay. Now I'm going to get out my trusty T-square and mark this up. This. Okay. And then I'm just going to take my knife and cut it out. This next step is going to be very messy, so I'm outside with this. Got on some gloves, some protective gloves, and for this one I'm going to be using Reptibark. So all I have to do now is take my silicone 1 all-purpose, smear it all over this, and then I'm going to take the bark and press it into the styrofoam. Then I'll leave this out here and let it dry. Alright, here we go. And y'all, I'm doing this outside because the smell from the silicone is very strong. Alright. Alright, whew, and it smells so strong. Alright, now, there we go. Oh, this looks so good. I love the way it looks. And you want to press it in firmly too. Get it seated into that silicone. I have to glue some in individually with a hot glue gun, I can do that. I want to try and get it covered here. I'm going to let this sit for about 20 minutes and then I'm going to come back, and then the loose stuff I'm going to just shake it off into the grass. Alright, it's pretty much dry to the touch. Man, more of that came off than I wanted to. I'm a little disappointed. You see all these white? You can see the background through it. I'm not going to fret about that too much because I am going to have plants and things that will detract from the bare background, so I think it'll be okay. I am going to clean off these that are stuck to the side. Because this is going to interfere with it fitting inside the tank. Not too shabby. That's pretty bare, so I think I'll make this the bottom. Make this part the top. I'm not 100% happy with the way it turned out, but I'm satisfied with the way it turned out. I can't wait to use this background. It's going to look fantastic. When I fill up the vivarium with plants and things, it's going to look amazing. So, I hope you guys like this. If you like this build, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!